welcome back to another video here, and today we're going to be unboxing this Lego set that I got from Target today. Now we are ready to unbox it. We got some scissors here, and we got some baggies here, and here are the tires, and we're gonna use this booklet to build this Lego set. That I'm done with this Jeep right here, and then I'm just gonna show you the parts on what I built. So number one is this part right here, this tiny part, which if you turn it at the back, the wheel functions, and then number two, I go onto the doors, which that open. Two doors open. And then the number three is the engine, which is you can open the engine. It's a V6-liter engine. And the last part, number four, is the hook. It's a hook chamber at the front, and then it goes like that. You pull it out, and then you can hook anything up, like something. Thank you for watching this video, Make sure to like and subscribe, and then I'll give a shout out to my friends Jake, Odin, Bryson, and my teacher, Miss Heisnorn, and my first grade teacher, Miss Johnson, and my kindergarten teacher, Miss Slaughter. Bye, everyone!